Alright, direct to the battery and kind of rigged up over here. No, still nothing. Nothing at all. Get juice. Oh, we got a little bit more this time. The battery terminal over there is smoking. We'll try again. Look at it smoking. Well, out with the old and in with the older. Instant power. No problem. Well, will my old Saturn start? Let's see, ratchet. There we go. Oh, foggy windows. Who was having fun in here? Uh-oh. Oh no. Piece of shit. Well, see if I can find a battery. Alright, we've got our handy dandy battery charger, and they're making a fuckload of noise in there. And I guess we'll give her the good old start. Oh, I can hear it working. Try this again. Come on, you piece of shit. Oh yeah, smoky. Yeah, cool. Well, you can rely on your piece of shit Saturn. Oh man, now my radio needs to be reset. Son of a bitch. Smells like oil from my twin cam. Well, I just rolled my mower over and hooked up the cables, and this tire is kind of low now. But what do you expect? It's been sitting outside forever. So this one hasn't been started for about a month and a half to 2 months. Let's see if there's even any gas still in it. No, nothing at all. See if I have any. Well, I only had about a splash in the jerry can, so might be enough to fill the carb bowl. Sure, my fuel valve's on. Yeah. The reason why it leaked out is it leaks a little bit right here, so I got to put a clamp on it. All right, full choke. Let's crank. Oh, that generally means good things. All right. Uh-oh. so long it doesn't want to idle. Just so you know, that's not smoke. It's just white exhaust, just like you see there. There we go. Now she'll idle. Cool. Piece of shit Saturn. Awesome mower. The blue Z. Now all that's left is to put my battery in there and go for a rip.